Namaste, this is Khushi Singh and you're watching Sudarshan World. Trump is getting a lot of attention after saying Ukrainian President Zelensky is part to blame for the war with Russia. This came right after a deadly Russian missile attack on Ukraine that killed 35 people and injured over 100. Trump also criticized Joe Biden for how he handled things. As the war goes on, Zelensky is asking for more help while Trump wants a different way to deal with Russia. The world is waiting to see what happens next. Trump has caused controversy by blaming Ukrainian President Zelensky for starting the war with Russia. His comments came just after a deadly Russian attack on the Ukrainian city which killed 35 people and injured more than 100. Trump said both Zelensky and Russian President Putin share the blame for the war, which has led to many deaths, and he also criticized former President Joe Biden for his handling of the situation. At the White House, Trump claimed that Zelensky started the war by challenging a much stronger Russia. He said, "You don't start a war against someone 20 times your size and then hope that people give you some missiles." Trump also questioned Zelensky's decision, saying, "When you start a war, you gotta know you can win." His remarks have sparked outrage as many believes Russia's invasion is the real cause of the conflict, not Ukraine's action. In response, Zelensky has urged world leaders to visit Ukraine and see the destruction firsthand before making decision about the war. He stated, "Come to see people, civilians, warriors, hospitals, children destroyed or dead." He also commended the recent Russian missile attack, calling it a senseless tragedy. Zelensky continues to call for more international support for Ukraine. Trump has repeatedly disagreed with Zelensky, even saying that his leadership is gambling with World War III. He has also criticized Zelensky for not starting peace talks with Russia earlier. On the other hand, Trump has praised his relationship with Russian President Putin, saying he had a great phone call with him recently. As the war drags on, the world remains divided on how to bring it to an end. Trump's comments suggest he wants to find a way to stop the war, but his friendly approach to Putin has raised concerns. The suffering in Ukraine continues, and the big question remains, how can peace be achieved and who will take the first step? That's it for today. Keep watching Sudarshan World. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.